Super Best Friends meme coin is absolutely pumping right now. What the heck is going on with this project? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on this meme token that has been taking CoinMarketCap by storm, currently trending and currently up nearly 100+%. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with this project, Super Best Friends. Before the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, do make sure you smash that subscribe button down below, as it helps the channel tremendously. So Super Best Friends, the coin we're talking about, as you can see, is absolutely pumping. It is trending number 2 on CoinMarketCap, up 30% the past 24 hours and up nearly 85% on the week. Earlier today, it was up about 135%. Looks like there's a little bit of selling going on, which is fine. With a market cap of $1.5 million, which has not have been verified just yet, this token could be doing something absolutely massive. Overall, crypto market, guys, looking kind of shaky. We're currently in a 49 neutral in terms of fear and greed index, slowly but surely creeping back towards fear. It's interesting to see what's going on as Bitcoin's crashed down to $60,000. It's been holding position at 34 for some time now, but now has nosedived to 60,000. Ethereum at 3,300. So it's a bit concerning. However, we think we are going to make a swift recovery very soon. Talking about swift recoveries, I want to talk about a super opportunity before we talk about Super Best Friends, is this new pre-sale gem. I know on this channel, guys, you guys absolutely love the pre-sale gems. It's a great way to make a profit by getting to projects early. And it also has a 3,800% APY. So what is this coin? It's Pepe Unchained. So Pepe announces his own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy it now and stake during our pre-sale to max out your rewards before the price skyrockets. And in 1 day and 1 hour, they are going to have their next price hike. So if you want to buy it at the absolute lowest price, now is your time to strike. They've raised almost $600,000 in a matter of a couple of days. This is absolutely insane. Has some great features like better speeds, greater gains, same delicious Pepe flavor, instant bridging between ETH and Pepe, low transaction fees, higher volume capability, and then dedicated block explorer. This one's going absolutely insane, guys. If you want to load up now, link in the description below. Now let's go back to this token, Super Best Friends, as there's a lot of red flags coming up. Like I have a feel like this could potentially be a pump and dump, so just be careful with that. However, we're not fully ruling this out just yet. So first of all, community tab, basically nothing actually dedicated to the project. We see it up 17%, but it has took a little bit of a nosedive, guys. We're seeing at least over 20% down in the past couple of hours. In the terms of market cap, guys, we can see it's just not updating just yet. But again, it is a new project. It does say $1.4 million market cap and about a $900,000 24-hour volume, which is, again, interesting to say the least. Now, what is this project? We could go over to the website and get a deeper dive. So Super Best Friends, we are the next generation meme-powered creativity studio. Visit the red planet to find out more. And I guess we gotta click that red planet to find out more, or is it just gonna take us down? Okay, so about Super Best Friends, spearheaded by 2 veterans, creative black belts. We're here to bring something a little different to the world of Web3. The Super Best Friends don't like labels. Meme coins, content house, why can't we have both? So it's a content house slash meme house put together, meme coin put together. We're rough around the edges, we don't fit in a box, we're funny, and we know how to make some cool stuff that'll go viral quicker than you could say Epstein didn't kill himself. Get in touch to hear more about the creative services. If you're just here for fun time, join our community, share our work, and check out the meme token. Click the swirly green tree, and I guess we have to go down this whole funnel, and we're gonna keep scrolling and find that swirly green tree. And I believe this is a tree they're referring to. So if we click this, no, we got to keep going down. Okay, there we go. Aha, the contact us as a tab. Okay, pretty cool. They do have some little cool Easter eggs on the website. And then we go down to the absolute bottom. We click this abyss. Okay, and a donation tab. So if you want to donate, you can also donate to the website. Honestly, it's a clean website. It's fun, and all the social links below. Now, something that's a bit of a red flag is this project's kind of brand new, popped out of nowhere, less than $2 million market cap. Yet they have 46,000 members on Telegram, and roughly 2,000 are online. So again, how much bots is that? We don't know. And then over on X, they have about 28,000 followers. So again, the numbers don't quite match yet. We've seen some big news just 6 hours ago. We've rebranded. Check out our pixely new website, and that was a website we just checked out, I believe. This is not just a new lick of paint. We're also launching a creative service division with 50% of the revenue going to buybacks and burns. So it looks like they're trying to do something. So Subf to the moon, Super Best Friends. We can see it has top 3 trending on CoinMarketCap, which is pretty cool as well. People are talking about it, and that's the main thing, right? People got to talk about it. The more people talk about it, the bigger project you get. It is for now now just a meme coin, guys, but again, it does have potential. It was trending today, so we're anticipating to see a pump. I would personally definitely not buy in now. I'd anticipate this is going to continue to crash a little bit more. We can see it pump like crazy. I would probably enter around this zone right over here, right around its first pump, even if I was going to buy. Again, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. But let me know in the comment section below. Are you bullish for this project? Are you bearish? I want to hear it all. That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.